Welcome! Today we'll walk you through the steps for tying a classic bow tie, the Hanauer way. Start by positioning the right end of the bow tie about an inch lower than the left. Cross the right end over the left, pass it underneath, and bring it back up. Next, pull the tie snug to your collar. At this point, both ends should be nearly equal in length. Now move the top end out of the way. Fold the lower end to form the front loop of the bow. Bring the top end back down over the front loop, then pinch the bow together at the center. Use your index finger to guide the widest part of the tie on the top end through the gap behind the front loop. Hold the folded ends of the bow steady as you pull the end through. Now, gently pull on the loops to tighten the bow and adjust the loose ends for balance. The loops and the tail should be nearly symmetrical. Finally, adjust the bow tie to achieve a look that's natural and hand-tied, distinct from the uniformity of a clip-on. Now remember, every bow tie has its own unique character, and no two will ever look quite the same. Let's walk through those steps once again from your perspective looking in the mirror. Cross the right end over the left and bring it back up. Pull the tie snug to your collar. Fold the lower end to form the front loop of the bow. Bring the top end back down. Guide the widest part of the tie through the gap behind the front loop. Pull the bell through and adjust the loose ends for balance. For more guides, information, and inspiration, we invite you to visit our blog, The Gentleman's Guide, on our website, bowties.com. Thanks for watching.